Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a ghost strobe a transition effect in CapCut for PC. So select your videos or photos you like to edit. Just add to the track and I'm just going to select effect and select live effect and select horizontal place 2. And yeah, this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. And after done, go to transition and select light effect and select goes through. This is perfect also, and you can adjust for iteration and apply to all the clips and see for the final effect you have on your video. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.